This is Garry Dean, RapidRideRehab.com, formerly DetailJuice.com. Now I've got the Rapid One-Step Cut and Polish. This is a derivative of the Sunday's polish, which turned into the Go One-Step polish. They both had differences, but this one the difference really in this one is we've added the zirconium oxide as a ceramic for cutting and finishing. We've also added the primer back to this version because I love that it saves me a complete step of wiping down with isopropyl alcohol after I polish. This actually leaves a primer behind that allows all of my protective products to physically and chemically bond to the surface like they should. This also cuts very, very well. I get 1,000 grit wet sanding scratches out of this with not really a big problem at all. And this finishes better than pretty much any finishing product I've ever used in my entire life, period. Now, am I trying to tell you that I have the best products ever? Well, that's what I believe. This product right here, you'd be hard pressed to find a better polish that cuts like this one does and finishes like this one does. It also saves you time, but it also saves you money. When you look at the sticker price, you're probably going to be like, wow, that's kind of a lot for a polish. Well, it does more than one thing. So it cuts like a cutting compound. It finishes like a finishing polish. So you get two polishes in one. But beyond that, you will literally use. So if I had to polish this entire Nissan Frontier Pro X, if I had to polish the whole thing with this, I would use, if I had to do a one-step, I'd use about 1/2 ounce of polish. That is literally 1/4 the amount that you'd use, or less, of any other one-step polish on the planet. You will use less of this to get better results than whatever you're using now. I'm pretty sure of that. I'm more than interested to see what you think. But since this has been released, I think 2.5 years ago, I released the Sundays. That did very well. We updated it to the Go One-Step when I launched the Go products. We now have merged into the new business, RapidRideRehab.com. And now we have updated it again and improved the performance yet again. So if you got questions for me, 813-846-4406. I will have more videos showing you how this cuts, what the best pads are to use. I generally use an orange pad from any company. It's generally the middle of the road pad that will cut well and finish pretty decent. That is an amazing one-step with this polish, and you'll find you'll use far less. So you're getting a more concentrated polish that does more and better than most of the stuff you've ever tried. Or you let me know. Order some. Let me know what you think. So if I can help you in your detailing endeavors, give me a call. 813-846-4406 is my cell. Thank you guys for watching these videos and listening to me babble. I appreciate you. There will be more videos on every product coming soon, I promise.